So let's today start with question number 23, which is a combination of type 1 and type 3. Okay, now these are all merger type of sums. Type 1 and type 3 we had done in chapter 1, marginal costing 1. Okay, we are in marginal costing 2 now. Okay, managerial decision making. Okay, so this sum is a combination of type 1 and type 3. Type 1 is what, where the basic information like fixed cost, variable cost, selling price, units produced and sold is given, and they just ask you normally to calculate PV ratio, BEP, MOS, desired sales, desired profits. So this is type 1. Type 3 mein what is their estimated marginal cost rate. Okay, they will tell you that future mein there is going to be a change in the units produced or sold, change in the fixed cost, change in the variable cost, or change in selling price. Okay, something or the other information related to either increase or decrease in the cost will be specified. So that's type 3. So in this question there is a combination of both. Okay, right? Yeah. So let us start. A retail dealer in stationery currently selling 10,000 pens annually. Okay, so in the current year, what is he doing? Yearly वो कितना pens बेच रहा है? 10,000. So units produced or units sold आपको दिया है, ठीक है? And this is information for 31st December 2001. What information is there? Selling price आपको दिया है, yes. Variable cost per unit दिया है, yes. Fixed cost is given, okay? So these are all your fixed cost. Staff salary, general office, and advertisement. As a cost accountant of the firm, you are required to answer the following each part independently. Okay, so you're supposed to calculate PV ratio, that's easy. You're supposed to calculate BEP and MOS in sales revenue and number of pens sold. Matlab you have to calculate BEP and MOS in rupees and units. Is this clear to everyone? Clear? It is clear to everyone? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Okay, so till you're done. Okay, yeah, thanks. Fine. तो स्टूडेंट्स, ये है ये पार्ट, ये यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक, दिस इज टाइप 1. Okay, and down below from CDE, this is type 3. Okay, so if you read the question you will understand why am I saying that. Assume that 12,000 pens were sold in a year. Okay, तो देखो पहले आपका यूनिट सोल्ड प्रोड्यूस कितना था, 10,000. अभी कितना बोला है? अभी बोला है 12,000. ओके, फाइंड आउट द नेट प्रॉफिट ऑफ द फर्म, एंड दे हैव टोल्ड यू टू कैलकुलेट नेट प्रॉफिट ऑफ द फर्म. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट में क्या बोला है? इफ इट इज डिसाइडेड टू इंट्रोड्यूस सेलिंग कमीशन ऑफ पेन 5 rupees per pen. Okay, this is the new cost they are telling you to incur. Introduce means to incur a new cost in future. So how many pens would be required to be sold in a year to earn a net income of 80,000? Okay, yeah. Next, assuming that for the year 2002 an additional staff salary of 30,000 is anticipated. Okay, and price of pen is likely to be increased by 10%. Okay, what should be the break even point in number of pens and sales revenue? That is BEP in rupees and units. Is the question clear? The whole question is clear to everyone? Okay, so we will solve it one by one. It's a lengthy question. Clear everyone? Acknowledged in the chat box. Is the question clear? Okay. So let us start. Obviously, I have been always telling you पहले क्या करने का. Always start with marginal cost sheet. Okay. Yeah. So make this marginal cost sheet. Okay, prepare this marginal cost sheet. Units produced, units sold, 1,000, 10,000. Okay, amount CPU, sales. Okay, sales is how much? 50. Variable cost is how much? 25. Okay, so calculate the amount. Okay, 10,000 multiplied with 50, 5 lakhs. Next, 10,000 multiplied with 25, 2 lakh 50. Our format is visible. Okay, fine. Okay, so understood how to calculate the amount, right? Yeah. 10,000 multiplied with 25, 2 lakh 50. Okay, so my contribution is 2 lakh 50. Then fixed cost. Fixed cost में what do I have? I have 1 lakh 20 plus 80 plus 40. So my fixed cost is 2 lakh 40. Okay, 2 lakh 50 minus 2 lakh 40 is how much? My profit is 10,000. ठीक है, यहाँ तक समझ में आया? So just acknowledge it clear, it's clear. Okay, yeah. Now move on to whatever is asked. First they have asked you to calculate what? PV ratio. ठीक है, पहले क्या पूछा कि भाई PV ratio calculate कर. So PV ratio is what? Contribution upon sales into 100. Okay, so you can either take this column or you can take this column. It's up to you. I always prefer taking the CPU column. So 25 divided by 50 into 100. Okay, so 50% is my PV ratio. Then you have to calculate BEP in units. Okay, so what is BEP in units? At BEP, fixed cost is paid, and whenever we want our answer in units, we divide with contribution per unit. Okay, I hope you remember those techniques of remembering the formula which I had given in the first chapter. Okay, so fixed cost कितना है? 2 lakh 40 divided by contribution per unit 25. So my answer is 9,600 units. Next, BEP in rupees. Okay, when you want your answer in rupees, we divide with PV ratio. Okay, so 2 lakh 40 fixed cost divided by 50 plus the percentage sign equal to sign. So 4 lakh 80 is my answer for BEP. Okay, you can cross check this answer by using the other formula of BEP in rupees is what? BEP in units 9,600 multiplied with selling price per unit 50 rupees. Cross check 9,600 into 50. It's 4 lakh 80. Okay, it has to tally obviously. Okay, so just orally cross check by using the other formula whether your answers are right or wrong. Am I clear till here? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, great. ठीक है, ये हो गया. Next, MOS in units. Okay, so what happens when you're calculating MOS? At MOS, profit is earned. To numerator में there will be profit, and technique units में answer चाहिए तो divide with contribution per unit. Okay, yeah. आई होप ये सब टेक्निक्स आप लोगों को याद है, ये मैंने सब सिखाया है ऑलरेडी. 10,000 is my profit divided by 25 rupees, so 400. So my MOS, margin of safety, is how much? 400 units. You can cross check your answer by using the other formula of MOS in units is what? Actual sales. Actual sales कितना है? 10,000 माइनस बीईपी इन यूनिट्स. बीईपी इन यूनिट्स कितना मिला? 9,600. See the difference? 400. Okay, you can. Okay, remember the multiple formulas. Okay, so that one you apply and the other you can use to cross check. समझ में आया? MOS in units, how to verify your answer. Then MOS in rupees, profit upon PV ratio. Okay, so 10,000 divided by 50%, 20,000. ठीक है, use the other formula to cross check your answer. MOS in rupees is what? MOS in units, 400 multiplied with selling price per unit 50. Okay, obviously it will tally 400 into 50. See, it has to match 20,000. MOS का और एक फॉर्मूला है ना, 3 फॉर्मूले हैं, तीनों बताती हूँ. एक्चुअल सेल्स कितना है? 5 लाख. कहाँ से मिला? ये रहा एक्चुअल सेल्स 5 lakhs. Okay, yeah. So actual sales 5 lakh minus BEP sales कितना था? 4 lakh 80. Okay, कितना हुआ आंसर? 20,000. ठीक है, yeah everyone, is it clear? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Verification steps are clear to everyone. So whether you have 3 formulas, 2 formulas, verify, answers will be same. Okay, noted down. All the points are noted down. Can I move on to the further part of the question? Yeah, just acknowledge in the chat box. You all have noted down everything till here. Then I'll move on to the next part of the question. Okay, fine. Yeah. Thank you. And now see what is this part. Yeah. A, B हो गया. Now I will move on to the C part of the question. तो ये हो गया. ये type 1 था ना? ये finished. ये हो गया. ठीक है? अब हम करेंगे ये वाला पार्ट सी. ये assume that 12,000 pens were sold in a year. Okay, find out the net profit of the firm. So there are two ways to solve this particular condition. Okay, two ways. I'll show you both the ways. Okay, I'll show you both the ways to verify the answer. Now the first thing is assume that 12,000 pens were sold in a year. ठीक है, हाँ ध्यान दो. What I'm doing. अभी ये लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं कि 2000 मतलब ये 10,000 अभी कितना हो जाएगा? 12,000 आ जाएगा, ठीक है। अज्यूम बोला है ना कि यूनिट्स प्रोड्यूस्ड शुड बी नाउ 12,000। ओके, आई होप इफ़ यू आर रिमेंबर, अगर आप लोगों को याद होगा, या मैंने क्या बोला, टाइप 3 है ये। ओके, टाइप 3 में क्या होता है, व्हाट इज सेट टू बी चेंज करो, उसके बाद अदर थिंग्स विल रिमेन कांस्टेंट, ठीक है। तो यूनिट्स प्रोड्यूस और सोल्ड चेंज किया है, तो बाकी चीज़ें कांस्टेंट रहेगी। बाकी चीज़ें मतलब सेल्स कितना था 50, तो 50 रहेगा। वेरिएबल प्राइस कितना था 25, इट विल बी 25। फिक्स कॉस्ट कितना था 2,40,000, तो फिक्स कॉस्ट 2,40,000 रहेगा। Okay, so I'm not changing anything. Okay, but now the amount will change. Okay, sales का 12,000 into 50 कितना हुआ 6 lakhs, so I'm writing here 6 lakhs. Okay, then variable cost 12,000 into 25 कितना हुआ 3 lakhs, so I'll write here 3 lakhs. So my contribution will be how much 3 lakhs, and this is also 25. Contribution minus fixed cost. ओके, तो फिक्स कॉस्ट कितना है 2,40,000, तो प्रॉफिट चेंज हो जाएगा, कितना हो जाएगा प्रॉफिट 60,000। सो आई गॉट माई आंसर 60,000। आर यू गाइज अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस? इज दिस क्लियर टू एवरी वन? ओके, सो दिस इज द थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन। ओके, तो जो तुमने तुम्हारा करंट ईयर का कॉस्ट शीट बनाया है उसके बाजू में ही ये दो कॉलम आप ऐड कर सकते हो। ओके, सो my answer is how much 60. So this is what they have asked, कि when production is 12,000 प्रॉफिट कितना होना चाहिए, तो प्रॉफिट कितना होगा 60,000, ठीक है। तो इसको करने का और एक easy way है, very easy way, where we will be using the formula, and that easy way is this is what your unit sold in, I mean what you call future है ना ये, so this is called desired sales in units, and you have to calculate desired profit. Okay, so see, use the formula of desired sales in units. Fixed at desired sales में क्या होता है, fixed cost is paid and profit is earned. So formula is fixed cost plus desired profit divided by contribution per unit. Okay, solve this equation, ये तो cross multiply हो जाएगा, yeah. So 12,000 into 25, 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs minus 2,40,000 is how much? 60,000. See, we're getting the same answer. Am I clear? Is this clear to everyone? समझ में आया? Acknowledge it in the chat box. दोनों मेथड समझ में आया? You can even prepare a new cost sheet, old current year के बाजू में, okay, as revised करके, revised marginal cost sheet. You will get the answer from there also, and you can get it from applying this formula also. Okay, that's why I keep saying, to know a subject like cost accounting, your basic of maths should be good. You should have a good base of maths understanding, then you can connect. Okay, till your it is completed. Can I move further to the D part? Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, I hope ये वाला पार्ट भी आपने नोट डाउन किया होगा. Okay, now come to the D part of the question. Okay. So D part क्या बोलता है कि there should be a new introduction, there should be a new cost. See, if you look into this question, तुम्हें कहीं भी सेलिंग कमीशन करके cost नहीं दिया है. There is no information. So they are saying in future there will be a new cost known as selling commission cost of rupees 5 per pen. So when I'm saying this means it's a variable cost. मेरा वेरिएबल कॉस्ट कितना है अभी करंटली 25. उस पर 5 रुपये बढ़ा दो कितना हो जाएगा 30. आर यू गाइज अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस? इज दिस क्लियर? ओके. ओके नाउ नेक्स्ट डी पार्ट ना. क्या बोल रहे हैं? वेरिएबल कॉस्ट चेंज करने को बोल रहे हैं. ठीक है, कितना हो जाएगा वेरिएबल कॉस्ट 30. ओके. आई होप यू गाइज आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस. Just making it उधर ही rather than changing everything again and again. I'm just ठीक है. I'll be just changing the values of students. Yeah, just pay attention. सी देखो क्या होने वाला है. वेरिएबल कॉस्ट वो लोग ने बोला है 30 होगा. बराबर. क्यों? बिकॉज देर विल बी अ न्यू इंट्रोडक्शन टू वेरिएबल कॉस्ट. 25 रुपीज़ तो है ही. इसमें 5 रुपीज़ ऑफ सेलिंग प्राइस ऐड हो जाएगा. ओके. 25 रुपीज़ तो वो लोग ने पहले से ही दिया हुआ है. And there will be a new addition of 5 rupees and selling commission. So that will make it to 30. Okay. Rest other things will remain same. Okay. Other things will remain same. So other things will remain same matlab units produced and sold will be how much? 10,000 only. Okay. Sales कितना था 50. ये भी 50 रहेगा. ओके. वेरिएबल फिक्स कॉस्ट कितना था 2,40,000. तो ये भी 2,40,000 रहेगा. ओके. इट मीन्स दैट. ओके. So 10,000, this will be 5 lakhs, this will be 3 lakhs, so this will be now 2 lakhs, this will be 20. 2 lakh minus 240 will be how much? Obviously other things remaining constant. Please don't forget that rule for type 3. So ये कितना हो जाएगा? Oh, there is a loss 40,000. Is this clear? समझ में आया? Clear to everyone? ओके. क्या पूछा है इसमें? हाउ मेनी पेन्स वुड बी रिक्वायर्ड टू बी सोल्ड टू अर्न अ नेट इनकम ऑफ 80,000. ओके फाइन. So they have told you to make the changes. They want you to find this. Okay, so I cannot assume this to be same. That means so all these things will change. They want you to calculate this students. ये निकालना है आपको. ये missing है. How many units will be sold? That is missing in the question. Okay. और उन्होंने बोला है कि देयर इज अ प्रॉफिट ऑफ हाउ मच 80,000। ये रहा, तो ये गिवन है, दिस इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन। ओके, सो दिस इज नाइस क्वेश्चन। गो रिवर्स, यहाँ से रिवर्स जाओ, या गो रिवर्स। So this will become plus, right? 2,40,000 plus 80 कितना हो जाएगा? 3,20,000। Okay, so divide this and see. 3,20,000 divided by 20 is how much? 16,000। Okay, तो मिल गया आपको यूनिट सोल्ड 16,000। Am I clear? When you divide this, you will get the quantity na automatically 16,000। ठीक है, नो नीड टू कैलकुलेट दिस ना, अभी फिर ये निकालने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, नॉट रिक्वायर्ड। चाहिए तो क्रॉस चेक कर लो। 16,000 into 50 is how much? 8 lakhs. Okay, 16,000 into 30 is 4 lakh 80, and cross check 8 lakhs minus 4 lakh 80 is how much? 3 lakh 20. So our answer is correct. Okay, समझ में आया everyone? Is this clear? Okay, सिंपल मैथ्स का लॉजिक यूज़ किया है। Clear students? Acknowledged in the chat box. ओके, आप इसको क्रॉस चेक कर सकते हो आपके आंसर को, वैसे भी तो मैंने कर दिया है। यू कैन यूज़ दैट अदर फार्मूला। विच फार्मूला? डिज़ायर्ड सेल्स इन यूनिट्स इज इक्वल टू फिक्स कॉस्ट प्लस डिज़ायर्ड प्रॉफिट अपॉन कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन पर यूनिट। यू कैन यूज़ दिस फार्मूला ऑल्सो एंड यू गेट द सेम आंसर। ओके, फिक्स कॉस्ट कितना है? 2,40,000। डिज़ायर्ड प्रॉफिट कितना दिया है? 80,000 divided by contribution per unit is how much? 20. Okay, yeah, don't forget that contribution is 20. Solve this. 2,40,000 plus 80 divided by 20. Okay, 16,000. Okay, both the ways will give you the same answer. That is what I keep saying. Okay, so this is the highlight of the sum. 60 units produced निकालने को बोला था। Clear with the concept, clear with the logic. Yeah, everyone. Okay, I have showed you both the ways how to think